And other than the ice going out on the lake, the other thing I'm happy about is I get to turn my water back on. Do 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 do. She's full. Hopefully this plug will go in better than the one on the side. Yeah, I left here in January thinking I wouldn't be back up here until this time. I got a place down in the cities. So I shut my water off before I left, and I was gone long enough for, well, this basement's not, it's a crawl space. And you can see it's all dirt. Once you get the frost in the ground down here, you're screwed for water, because even if you put heat down here, the frost comes up and it'll freeze your pipes. So wait till now to turn my water back on. Let's see what the pump does. Do do do. Pump on. Come on. Come on. Start pulling water. Do it, damn it. And water in the hot water heater. Ooh, we're pumping. Very good. Nothing coming out of that valve on the hot water here though, the safety valve. It doesn't sound like it's got a load on it at all. Pumping because that's puking air. Come on. You can do it. It really takes that long to pump a couple gallons into this water here. I think it's like 5 gallons. There it goes. That's some shitty, you can't see it on video, but that's some pretty nasty water coming out of there. Good God. Alright, let's see what it's doing upstairs. To anybody that watched this video, sorry, it's a bachelor pad, I live alone. This place is kind of a mess. I got water. Shower's working. That's always fun to play with every freaking year. This thing's burped. Yeah, this place is a 1970s flashback. My grandparents bought this cabin in 69, 70. Woohoo! Yeah, I got a roof fixed too. Carpenter with a leaky roof. Go figure. Let's put puke in here. Hey, the toilet's starting to work. About freaking time. And my kitchen sink is still puking air. Hot or cold it's puking. Hot water side. Come on, light. You can do it. Very good. Not junk. Try the hot water in here. Still a little air in it. Air is not your friend. Do 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 do. Both sides got pretty good pressure. Try it hot on this one. Yeah, there's still in there. So I opened that pressure release valve on that hot water heater. It seems to help. Yeah, a little bit of iron in the metal up here. This thing a flush. Very good. Can't believe it. I can actually shower my own place and not have to go use the neighbors. Still puking air out of hot water? What the fuck? Really? I understand anyone that watches videos is extremely boring to them, but when you live in a place for 4 months without any water at all, it's kind of exciting. It'd be nice if they quit puking air. Burp itself already. Cool. It's a success. Everything's pressurized and I have no leaks. None. Anybody want a Toro lawnmower? Valves just need to be adjusted. No leaks. None. Very good. I think this is the first time in like 5 years I've turned this thing on and there wasn't any leaks anywhere. Beautiful. Love it. Happy camper. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and comment. Bye.